Hello everyone, coming to you from Chiang Mai, and the topic of today's video is how much does it cost to go to the dentist in Thailand? So just really quick, in Chiang Mai there's a lot of dentists to choose from. So what do I do when I go to a new city and I need to find a doctor or a dentist? My method to find the doctor or dentist is to go to like the local expat Facebook group. So I'll go to Facebook, I'll go to like Chiang Mai expats. In the search bar, I'll hit dentist. And then from dentist, I'll just explore all the posts and the comments to try to uncover who is the most highly reviewed or most popular dentist at this time. Because as we know, service kind of sways, and who is getting really good reviews maybe 3 years ago may not be the case today. So in this case, when I reviewed the different dentists, it's this dentist right here across the street, Kitcha, that seems to be getting the highest reviews lately in the Chiang Mai expat groups. So that's how I uncovered this dentist. We're gonna go see Dr. Pawak right now. He studied like at OHSU and UCLA, but it's right here at Kitcha Dental. So I'm gonna walk across the street and take you in to see the doctor. How much does it cost to go to the dentist in Chiang Mai? Well, I just had my cleaning. It was 900 baht. The service was exceptional. Thank you, Dr. Pawak.
You're welcome.
And now to kind of explore a further list of services and how much it costs for each service. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Most of the foreigners, they visit here and they asking for the zirconium crowns or the zirconium restoration, like the overlay, crowns, and veneers.
So crown.
Yeah. So the cost of the crowns here is 18,000 per one tooth.
So the crown, 18,000 baht. And the price of a crown in the US is?
Another most popular treatment that we offer to the foreigner is the cleaning and the whitening. So the cost for the overall whitening and the cleaning is 9,900 baht.
So cleaning and whitening, 9,000 baht.
Yes.
And the price of cleaning and whitening in the US is?
Another one is the foreigners they asking for when they are here is dental implant. The cost of dental implant here, we have many brands of the local of the implant. Some brand cost lower, some brand cost higher, but we start at 50,000 per one tooth, include with the implant and the crown on top.
Price of implant with the crown, and implant, it depends on what kind of implant, is 50,000 baht. And the price of an implant and crown in the US is?
Okay, the next popular treatment that the foreigners they come here and they asking for is the Hollywood smile or smile design, because they are here they want to present that beauty smile better than before. So the cost of the veneers here, the porcelain veneers will cost 12,000 per one tooth, and the overall is depend on how much teeth that is involved in their smile or need to improve.
So smile design, beauty, veneer, 12,000 per tooth, 12,000 baht. So the price of a veneer in the US is?
So the fillings cost 800 per one surface, but each tooth have different size and different defects. So roughly the cost is around 800 to 3,000.
And what's the price difference? Why?
Depend on how much surface or the bit of the cavities. Just like per one tooth, it have only one tooth have 5 surface. So it depends on how many surface that involved in that cavities.
And is it with gold or?
Or of our service will be done with using the non-alloy or non-mercury fillings. So just only like the white fillings, the glass ionomer fillings.
So non-mercury filling is 800 to 3,000 baht. And the price of that procedure in the US is
most of the patient might have to do deep cleaning also because they have the gum disease. So the cost of the deep cleaning is around 2,000 to 8,000 Thai baht for the full mouth deep cleaning.
So deep cleaning, 2,000 to 8,000 baht. And the price of deep cleaning in the US is
nowadays most foreigners have very short stay here. They don't have a long stay. So we can do the CAD/CAM restoration with the scanner, intraoral scanner, and milling the restoration for them. So the cost of this 1 day's crown, 1 day onlay is 20,000 Thai baht.
So if you're visiting Chiang Mai and you would like dental work,
1 day.
1 day,
Yes.
so the restoration,
yes. So for the crown.
and then you mail.
Yes, we do like the scanning with the digital CAD/CAM and mill it out from the bank. So you can get the material and you can get the fillings done or the onlay or crown done within 1 day. The cost is 20,000.
Dr. Pawak, why so many foreigners come to Chiang Mai for dentistry?
I think because here we have like very beautiful nature. You can walk around the city. You can make the sightseeing, see the old city, see the historical part of the old town, or you can visiting like the animals, elephants, and many things here. Just only like an hour around the city.
What about x-rays?
The X-ray we have like the 2D X-ray, 3D CT scan, or the full head X-ray. So the cost for the intraoral X-ray, like for the check the cavities, is 270 baht for the small X-ray, but the full mouth panoramic scan is 700 baht.
So price of full panoramic scan of the mouth is 700 baht, and the price of a full mouth panoramic scan in the US is that's it for my treatment. Dr. Pawak, thank you.
Welcome. See you next 6 months.
Yeah, I'll see you in 6 months, and thank you for sharing with everyone watching the pricing for dentistry in Chiang Mai, in Thailand. So thank you.
You're welcome.
See you.
Bye-bye.
See you, let's see, what are we in right now? Right now we are in July, so I'll probably see you in December.
Okay.
Yeah. Farewell. Thank you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. So that's it for my dental treatment here in Chiang Mai and dental costs. I had a cleaning today. It was 900 baht, or about $25. Overall, just really good service. Doctor very attentive. Dr. Pawak also studied at OHSU in Portland and also at UCLA. So incredible treatment, very pleasant staff. And yeah, just overall a really good experience. Until next time, everyone. See you.